Hey guys, this is Miss Lindo. This is Module 3, Lesson 5 video for our homework help. And our I can statement today was I can write base 10 three-digit numbers in unit form and show the value of each digit. So today we were really breaking apart three-digit numbers, talking about the meaning of those numbers. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at our homework. All problems are must do tonight, and you'll see why here in just a few minutes. So this was an anchor chart that we created together in class today. There were 3 parts that we talked about when we were talking about place value. And this is really helpful for students to understand the meaning of the hundreds place, the meaning of the number in the tens place, and the meaning of the number in the ones place. So if you'll notice, we have the number bond. And so what we did for the number bond was we broke apart the number. So if we have 234, if we did a number bond for this, we would know that the digit 2 represents 200. The 3 represents 30 because that's 3 groups of 10, and the 4 represents the ones. So on their homework tonight, students are going to be asked to create a number bond, and this is the representation that they need to use, thinking about the meaning of the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Unit form was also something new that we learned today. Unit form of the number is taking it and pretty much writing out 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 ones. So 234 is the same thing as 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 ones, and that's unit form. When we talk about the word form, it's just writing out in words that number, 234. So this will be very helpful tonight with homework. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the first side of our homework page. So tonight for number 1, it's asking what the value of the 7 is in this number. Now I'm not going to say this number because the students need to understand what's in the ones, the tens, and the hundreds, and they're asking what the value of this number is within this number. They're showing these in a hide 0 format. This is just kind of cards that are lapped on top of each other for students to see the visual of the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Number 2, make number bonds to show the hundreds, tens, and ones in each number. Then write the number in unit form. So for example, they have the number 263. So the number bond, just like we saw earlier, was 200. The 6 represents 6 tens, which is 60, and the 3 represents 3 ones. So really the number bond is going to show us that breakdown. And then the unit form is pretty much just talking about it and writing that on the line. How many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones. So use this as a guide to help you with each of these 3 numbers. On the back of the homework, we're going to do all parts because we're matching the unit form with the number form. So thinking about how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones. Stretching those out and then finding the number. So for example, letter A says 100, 1, 1. So it couldn't be 11 because that's just 1 10 and 1 1. So I know that 100, 1 1 is 101, and that would be a line down here. So it would be 100, 1 1 would be that. So you're going to match those, the unit form with the number form. You guys are doing an amazing job. I hope you have a great night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.